we have the Rinnai V65ep. As winter draws near, we begin dreading the days when even our hot water needs will require scheduling. Often we have to make a difficult choice between taking a steaming hot shower on a freezing day, working the dishwater, or tackling our laundry piles. With a Rinnai tankless heater, you can say goodbye to tough winter decisions and have hot water as many times as you need in a day. The Rinnai V65ep tankless water heater uses the ThermoCirc 360 technology, which helps circulate hot water through your pipes and give you buckets full of steaming water fast. With such a tremendous technology, you no longer have to waste precious water while making its way from the old tank to your shower. This tankless heater's energy efficiency is enthralling on its own, but even better is the water heater's compact design. With this, you can install your heater hassle-free in even the most unconventional spaces of your home. From the attic to the closet and even crawl spaces, you can enjoy piping hot water all through chilly winters. Apart from being the size of a small suitcase, the Rinnai water heater is replicable. Hence, you may simply swap components when the need is, instead of purchasing a whole new system. What more, the life expectancy of this tankless heater is 20 years against a traditional tank. Pros: distributes approximately 6.6 gallons of hot water per minute. Ultra compact. Consistent preset temperature. Cons: you will need an additional controller for extra costs if you go up to 160 degrees Fahrenheit. You may find the initial investment cost slightly high. Power connection instructions are a bit unclear.